What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is my 6-month update video. As you can see, I do have a protective style in. I have some knotless braids that I installed, and that's basically what this video is going to be. I am going to show you a clip at the very beginning of before I blow dried my hair, so you can kind of see how long my hair is now, because it's really supposed to be about my natural hair journey. And I honestly thought about not even doing these braids until after the year is up, but I get bored, and I feel like y'all probably get bored of seeing the same old stuff as well. So I show you my hair at the beginning, and then you kind of get to see what it's like for me to install these braids on my 6-month length hair. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, that's all I have. All right, I am back here with the results of my braids. I'm gonna be real with y'all. It's been like 5 or 6 days, almost a week since I put these in. And one thing I will say is this video is supposed to be an update video, but I just want to tell y'all this is why I don't do protective styling, because you see I have the buildup already. Like, there's buildup right there. It's only been 5 days, but other than that, I think these look pretty good. I'm just happy that I can even get braids, and I really like the color of them and everything, especially how it's showing up on camera. I really like it. So I've been working a whole lot, but I haven't really been doing anything to my hair. I've just put it in these braids so I didn't have to do it, and then I wear it in the same little style, which is like a half up half down type of thing, like this, and just go to work like that. I did my edges like not even every morning, so I don't know why I'm getting the buildup so quick. But what I can do to fix that is kind of like not fully shampoo my hair, but kind of go in and shampoo, tailor it where I need to. That won't be hard to fix, but it's just kind of annoying that it's already there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's really all I have for this video. It's not much. I wanted to do something different just to switch it up. This is my 6-month update video, and just instead of showing you another like wash and go or shampoo routine, I wanted to let y'all know that I could get protective styles now. So you did get to see a little clip of my hair, so you can kind of see like my hair is still growing, and I'm gonna try to leave these up about a month. So until it's time for my next video, I'm gonna try to leave these up. So then you can see how much my hair's grown after that. But yeah, that's really all I have. I don't know what else to tell y'all. But I do like the braids. Hopefully you guys like the braids too. Comment down below, like, subscribe. Make sure you put that notification bell on so you can see all of my videos. And if you haven't seen my other ones, go back and watch the other 5 I have. I have 1 through 5 already. So we're halfway. We're at the halfway mark of my year-long journey. And yeah, we're getting it done. I'm getting a little anxious to have some hang time, but it's all good. So thank you guys, the people who keep watching these videos. Thank you for supporting me. And yeah, just keep on coming back. We're gonna have lots more to do. We got 6 more months to go. So thanks.